Come on, big balls. No, big balls. Come on. That's only $25. Let's go. Minor. Come on, do it. It's only 28 bucks, I think. $2. It's okay. $2.50. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God, those are nice chips. Thank you. One more. Come on, give me the minor. Oh, okay. Ooh, this is great. I'm so happy. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Oh, thank you. This is great. Wow. I'm gonna do $3.75. Just a couple of bets because, okay, give us some beef because it's not in my budget. Oh, yes! Oh my God, I was only gonna do a couple of spins. Yes, got the bonus on $3.75. So let's see what we can win. Oh, come on, don't give me those small ones. Give me minor or major. Come on. Big chips, big chips. Big balls, big balls. Come on. Oh, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Okay. Let's see how much is that. Okay, muy bien. Again? Oh, I already reduced the bet. Okay. Let's go. Come on, that's only $40. Don't stop now. Come on. I saw that major. It's 72.50, I think. Let's see. Or 62.50. Okay, I was off again. Okay, this button doesn't work, so it's hard to. $3.75. I'm only gonna do a couple spins and then we're gonna move on. Oh yes! Oh my god, again! $3.75. Please do something good. Yes. Come on, minor, minor, minor. Oh, don't stop. Major, 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 minor, major. Come on. Blue balls, green balls. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Let's see how much. $117.50.